Okay, welcome back to Manga with Terry. We're going to have, we're doing some more detailed stuff. Now, if you've been on the website, you'll have seen this. It's downloadable in a PDA format. I suggest you download it so you can have a look at it and you'll know what you're doing, because what I'm doing today is we're going to work on some of the eyes and how they're put together. Now, starting with eye number 1, okay, you have oops, let me just get a bit more lead out of the pencil. Okay, so we've got this type of shape here for the outside of the eye. Now, the when you do the eye, want a nice roundish shape there. One of the highlights is there. I'll just draw that a bit heavier so as you can see it better. Then we've got the another highlight here, and in between all that you've got this type of shape. Okay, now what you do now is this little line here, yeah, we want to get rid of that. Okay, I will bring this in a bit heavier here. I'll swap pens because this one's a darker pencil. We're going to put a eyelid there. This is going to be in black, so you would shade all that in black. Make sure you don't go into this highlight here. Just quickly do that, and then keep going over that for a bit to make sure it's nice and dark. Yeah. So what we're going to use then is you can use a smudging tool, and I'm just going to smudge this all together, and then I'm going to smudge down the eye like that. Now we'll go over this piece again with a darker pencil and add some of the eyelashes. And go over this piece, the darker one, add a couple of eyelashes down the bottom here, and then put in the eyebrow. Okay, so that's eye number 1. Eye number 2, when we do eye number 2, what we want is you want as round a circle as you can get. And then want the eye shape coming up here. Put a little angle on it there, a little nick down there, and this piece is going starting from here and goes round and up like that. Okay, now this one we haven't put any highlights on, but we can put highlights on it. Do the iris in the centre there. Now we'll put our highlight up here, okay, and because the angle of that, our shading is going to be roughly in the same direction. So we do our shading. Again with the smudging tool, smudge it round and down. But don't smudge the highlight. Then we're adding the, we'll just bring that a bit sharper in. Then we're going to add the eyelid. Okay, so we've got this eyelid coming there. A little point, say there. Now add the eyelashes. Now when you do the eyelashes, try and do them different lengths, because it looks better. It looks less mechanical. And then do a couple of eyelashes down the bottom. And do the eyebrow. This eye is coming up like this. It's got more of an evil sort of eye, and that's number 2. Number 3 is more your basic manga eye, where you have you'll have your top here, your bottom, a little edge on there, and comes down like that. You'll have the centerpiece coming down like this. You'll have your highlights wherever you want your highlights. So I'm putting one there and a long one down there. I'll pop the eyebrow in. And the eyelid. And then this piece here, I want to shade all of that in. Remember not to shade your highlights. And then add some eyelashes going around like that. And a couple more of the bottom here, about 3. Say 3 eyelashes. This time we're going to take the putty rubber, okay, make it to a nice point, because it's easier with the putty rubber, provided you've done your pen work nice and light. We could rub out those little marks there. Again, smudging tool, smudge it round and down. When you're smudging down this side, remember that highlight there, so don't go smudging over that, because it will you'll have to rub the smudge marks out. So once you've done that, you go back to the centre one, the iris, and make the iris darker, so as you can actually see the iris better. Just finish it off with that. Okay, that's a little tutorial on how to do these eyes. You break them up into different combinations to actually do a complete eye. If you draw it straight off, a lot of the times you just go wrong. Okay, be back soon with another video.